Hey there, my friends. Wonderful to see you. It's me again, Kathy, and I'm glad you could join me. If you're here today's for Tarte's Selfing Lip Quench Rescue Duo, this is the place to be. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, great to have you, and I'd really appreciate a big thumbs up and a subscribe button below with the little bell, and just stick around and enjoy this video. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's jump on board. And here it is. Look at this cute packaging. This is from the holiday 2019 from Tarte, and every year they come out with this lip rescue duo, and this is the 2019 version of it. So let's talk about what's in this. The ingredients, they have marine plant extracts for the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and smoothness. It has coconut oil, which helps deliver moisture and conditions. And then it has a camellia flower extract. Well, that's a mouthful. It helps support and the look of skin firmness, smoothness, and elasticity. It is vegan and it is cruelty-free. And this is considered clean at Sephora. So just kind of put that out there. And there are two full size in here. Let me show you. Get this out, and the packaging is cute as bug. Look at this. As I said, this is from the Rainforest of the Sea collection, and look at this. It'd be really cute, you know, as a stocking stuffer or a gift, you know, coworker, you know, your nail lady. I think this would be really cute, and you know what? Keep it from yourself too. So anyways, and right here in the white and gold tube is what they have is called the nude, and let's look at this. Boom. Wow. Does that look nude to you? But let's put it on and let's see how it does. Let me put it on the back of my hand. Goes on nice and creamy. It has like a little bit of a color to it, but look at that in the, you know, the tube. So let's put this on and let's see how it looks. And you know what? When I was putting it on, I got the slightest hint of a mint, like a you know, like a candy cane mint. Whoa. That's pretty. And you know what? This is really beautiful. Goes on really nice. I'm not feeling any stickiness or glompiness or anything like that. Wow. Look at that. Really pretty. And then let's go to the another one. And this is called, let's see, Holly. And this is more like a raspberry color. So let's, ooh, look at this. Right there. And put it on the back, and it goes on nice and smooth. Look at that. No gloppiness, no pulling, no tugging, no nothing on it. So, okay, let's put this one on. Same thing, it has that little bit of a mint to it. Ooh, I like these. You know that? And these are really full size, and as I said, every year they come out with these and people stock up on them, and for 19 bucks I think this is a real steal. You know, and especially for all the ingredients you get into it, and I think this is a keeper. A lot of people say, you know, wow, this looks like, you know, a lot for that, but two, you know, tubes for 19 bucks, that is a really good bargain, especially with the ingredients you're getting. I think it's really a keeper. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to do a big thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate you sticking around and leaving a comment or two, and let me know how you feel about this, you know, Tarte holiday collection item, and see you soon.